Hey everybody, okay, so in this video we are making some steak and cheese egg rolls, and I just want to show you what I've been doing as far as prepping. Right here you'll see onions, green peppers, and mozzarella cheese, as well as some mushrooms, and those are mushrooms that came in the jar. And these are the particular egg rolls that I use, as well as the steakums that I use. And so I'm just showing you how I prep and how they come in the box in the beginning. And we're just going to pretty much go through, and you're going to see me take and break up the steakums, and then I'm going to season them, and then I'm going to begin to cook them. So I'm just going to show you the process. All right, keep on watching.
Low. Anda para atrás. Tra, tra, anda para atrás. Tra, 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 anda para atrás. Tra, 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 tra. Anda para atrás. Tra, 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 tra. Anda para atrás. Tra, 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 tra. Anda para atrás. Tra, anda para atrás. Tra, anda para atrás. Tra, 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 tra. Anda para atrás. Tra, 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 tra. Anda para atrás. Tra, 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 tra. Anda para atrás. Tra, 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 tra,
Okay everybody, so I'm going to show you guys exactly what we do next. I'm going to roll one in ordinary motion, and then I'm going to do the rest in fast pace. So you need an egg, so I'm going to take one egg right here. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, I got my one egg, and I am going to break it up in here. Crack your egg, throw away the yolk. Throw away your shell. And then you are going to whisk that egg just like so. Alright. Set it to the side. I'm going to get kids' plates because it really doesn't matter. Let me back this up a little bit. I'm going to cut my steak off, and I have a square that is a third, okay? So this is a third right here, you see? Hopefully you guys can see that. It's a third right there. I'm going to open up my rolls right here. I'm going to cut these off. Just like that. And you guys, you know what? I never paid attention to how many is in here, to be honest. But this is just my prep, okay? And you want to have, you see I have this big glass thing right here beside me. You want to have somewhere to sit them. And actually, before I start that, let me spray my pan. Let me bring my cheese over. I'm gonna set my cheese right here, okay? And I'm going to spray my pan. This is gonna help so that nothing sticks to your pan, okay? So I have my egg roll wrappings, and I just cut it down the middle right there. And once you use these, you guys, you gotta finish the pack. You can't save them because once you open it, it just does something, and then it'll cause them to get hard. So I have my scooper. I'm going to set my scooper right there on that, and so you can see a little bit better. Okay. So you can see everything that I have right here. Okay. So you take one, and it has the powder is something that keeps them from sticking together. Okay. I take my yolk and I go around the edges like this. So I'm going to show you at least one or two, and then I'm going to do them and then let you watch the rest of the way. And I actually like to go around all four corners, or all four parts of mine, okay? Just like so. I'm going to sit that right there to the side. I'm going to take my scooper right here, and I'm going to scoop up a third of my product. Well, the food, which is right here. You don't want to overstuff them. You don't want them to be too big. And I just sit that right there, and this might be too much. I might go down a little bit more. And yeah, I might go down a little bit more. So, but I'm gonna sit that right there. And then you take a slice. I had a block of cheese, and I just took it and cut it up, and you just put that cheese there. I roll up, tuck, over, tuck, over, and then roll. And it is that simple, y'all. And sometimes I just take it, add a little bit more to make sure that it sticks. And then tuck it on the sides just like that. And then there's one, okay? Put it down right there. And that's it. So let me show you one more. I'm going to move a little faster. So side, side. And I use my hands a lot of times. Sometimes I'll use the brush, but sometimes the brush is not as good to work with. So I have my paper towel right here, and that's for my hot sauce on there. So I'm just going to wipe my fingers off with that. And I'm going to get a smaller scooper
which is a fourth. Okay, this is a fourth cup. And I'm just gonna grab that up. And 1/4 cup. Yep, perfect. 1/4. Put it in the middle. Yes, this is perfect right here. Okay, and I like to spread it into a line, just like that. I'm gonna set that cup there. Add my cheese. Remember, turn it in a diamond shape. Grab the bottom of your diamond, flip up. Grab the sides of your diamond, pinch, flip over, pinch, flip over. Go in, fold these in right there, pinch like an envelope, and then roll. Now you have to roll tightly but carefully, because if you roll too quick, what happens is you can rip it. Sometimes people use more than one wrap, but to spread them out, you can use just one. So you fold it tight, so you're rolling tightly, and then boom, done. I'm going to show you guys one more, and then I'm going to speed the process up. Turn it into a diamond shape. Do your yolk, just like so. And if you get yolk on the whole thing, it don't even matter, y'all. It don't. Okay, turn it back diamond shape. Wipe my hands off on the floor. I'm gonna grab both of my scoopers. I'm gonna scoop that 4th cup in there. Drop it. Take my scooper and my finger to spread it, just like that. Grab a piece of cheese up, sit the cheese on it. Bottom of your diamond, fold. Side of your diamond, fold. Other side, fold. Envelope, fold. Roll, roll, tight. That's it, okay? So now let's speed this process up. Bam. Okay, hey everybody, so we're back, and it's been, y'all, what has been about 3 hours since I made the egg rolls?
You made them at 12.
I made them at 12. So right now it is 5:15, and I am cooking dinner. You guys know here at our house we usually have dinner pretty early. So I am about to go ahead and do this right here. So I have my egg rolls right there, as you can see. I also have my French fries right here inside of the air fryer. We are going to eat the ordinary crinkle fries. And yeah, so y'all ready to get started? I'm gonna just show you guys me putting one in, and then I'm going to and then what I'll do is then I'll show you guys this in quick motion, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like at the end. So let's get started by just placing these inside the oil, but you got to make sure your oil is hot. Me, myself, I like to just take a little bit of water on my hand and do that. If it doesn't make a good noise, you can hear it popping slightly, but not as much, so it's not fully done. So what you're gonna see me do is you're gonna see me grab one up. I got my handy dandy clips right here, so I'm gonna grab one up just like that. Pick it up, drop it in there, but not drop it. I'm gonna place it in there, and you don't want to overcrowd. If you overcrowd your pot, your stuff is gonna be oily and soggy. So you don't want to do that, and then you want to just cover them up. You have to be careful because you don't want to overcook them, because they'll be hard, so it doesn't take them long, and you gotta watch them because they will burn. Okay, we don't nobody want no burn, whatever those things is. Okay, so egg rolls. Thank you. Steak and cheese egg rolls. So I'm gonna place them in there and let's get started. Shoot.